Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Syed Shahid, Department of CSC M section, and we guys attended the 5-day program of SDP. It was a good concoction of both administrative skills as well as theoretical. What I personally took from these sessions were engineers, as we are currently budding engineers, we need not just focus on the technical part. We can also go into managerial or entrepreneur mindsets, and we guys always do technical a lot. We guys are good in subjective matters, but when it comes to speaking our mind in front of teachers, even if we go to a company in front of HR management, we don't. And this sessions helped us train on that specifically. And what I think is the session almost had 350 students, and it's not easy to teach all of them at the same time. The command that teachers had on the subject as well as on the students was actually impressive. And what I can say that I have taken from this session is we'll be not only focused on studies, we'll try to push ourselves in co-curriculars, fest and stuff, because we need to have an overall development in our colleges. Thank you.